Okay, what's the food chain? Give me an example of a food chain, ate.
Grasshopper eat the grass. Frog eat the grasshopper. Snake eat the frog. And bird eat the snake.
Very good. And what do you call the group of food chain?
Owl eat the mouse.
It's a food web. It's
A food web.
a food web. Who eats the grass?
The grasshopper
Grass.
eats the grass.
Yes. Who eats the snake?
The
The
bird.
bird. Who eats the frog?
The snake.
The snake. Small snake?